How do you really know when your lettuce is going to seed? And then how do you know when to actually pick the lettuce seed? Well, that's a really great question. So I have this beautiful lettuce right in front of me, and guess what? I have this beautiful lettuce that has actually gone to seed. So you can see the leaves have hardened off and they've formed these little fluffy looking flowers. Now just over here, I have some lettuce that has also gone to seed, and they don't have any fluffy flowers. They have these lovely yellow flowers. So what we're really waiting for is we're waiting for these yellow flowers to die off to create these little fluffy flowers. And when we get these little fluffy flowers, let me show you exactly what begins to happen. Okay, so we have these incredible looking fluffy flowers, and let me just pick one of them right here. Okay, see this one right here? I'm gonna just pick that off, okay? And once we pick this little fluffy flower, we're gonna bring it over here to our table. And inside this fluffy flower, when I start to open it up, are lettuce seeds. So that's exactly what we're looking for, is all of these amazing little lettuce seeds. Now, let me go back to the lettuce plant over here. When you're picking all your little fluffy lettuce seeds, it is absolutely critical that when you pick them off, that you want to be extra careful, because these little seeds are going to fall out really easily. The next thing you want to be very careful of is making sure that you label your lettuce correctly. So I have some green curly lettuce. This is green curly, and I'm able to tell all the way down. Now, sometimes if I wait too long to pick these, what's going to happen is all of these little lettuce seeds, and you can see them kind of hanging out right in there. See them right in there? There they are. You can see them right behind the little fluffy bits. Those will fall all over the place. So when you're picking them, I recommend that you have a container. You're using 2 hands. You clip them off with a pair of scissors, and you label them properly right away. And then store them in a paper envelope so that they can dry out. Now, you also want to make sure, and this is extra important, tomorrow it's going to rain. So guess what? If the rain hits these, it's going to knock all these flowers all over the place. And I'm not going to end up with any flowers, or any seeds, I should say, because the flowers are going to be beat up. So you want to make sure, pick all of the fluffy flowers before it rains so that you end up with every single lettuce seed. Now, you'll also see some that are not quite open. Well, you've got to let them sort of go through their process. So a little bit of rain isn't going to hurt them. So let the rain splash on them, and then the next day after the rain, you wait and wait and wait until they start opening up and becoming fluffy little flowers. And then your fluffy little flowers will be turning into these amazing little lettuce seeds that you see right here. And I know if I were to try and pull off and lift off these little, oh wow, I just actually ended up lifting off and lifting out all of the lettuce seeds right there. So, because the little fluffy bits are attached. There we go. So there you have it. Saving your lettuce seeds. Have fun. A little bit of food for thought for the day. See you in the next video.